Elon Musk, after being named several times in the trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, finally broke his silence and spoke out about what's been said of him in the weeks of testimonies. Billionaire Elon Musk was mentioned more than once in Johnny Depp's controversial trial against Amber Heard, as he was accused of having an affair with the Aquaman actress while still married to the Pirates of the Caribbean actor. A video was also shown that presented Depp's defense, in which the Tesla founder is seen together with Amber in the elevator of the penthouse, which the actress shared with her ex-husband. Elon did not like anything about this because not only did it put him in bad public opinion, but he was also going to be forced to testify, something he did not do because he didn't want to get more involved with the actress and end up with a bad reputation. But what did Elon do or say that made Amber so angry? After the controversial trial, the whole issue is quite sensitive for Amber, who lost and will have to pay several $1 million. Stay tuned for more details on this drama. A star-studded love story. Amber Heard made headlines when she began dating Elon Musk amid her high-profile divorce from Johnny Depp in 2016. After being spotted spending time together, Heard and Musk kept their romance under wraps at the time. After going public with their relationship in 2017, the couple briefly split up before reuniting. In February 2018, an insider told Us Weekly that Heard and Musk had called it quits for good. Amber wants her independence and prefers being friends rather than romantically linked, the source said at the time, with another insider adding, Elon decided it was time to end things and Amber agreed. They both care for one another, but the timing just isn't right. Heard and Musk, for their part, explained their decision to Us in August 2018. We would like to speak for ourselves. The distance has been really tough in our relationship because we haven't been able to see each other much. All relationships have their ups and downs, of course. The joint statement continued, we would like to state directly that we have the utmost respect for one another, and it would be troubling if anyone had the impression that we thought otherwise. As a closing note, it is worth bearing in mind that events are always amplified and dramatized in a high-profile relationship, whether the people involved like it or not, and we definitely don't. The reality is that this is just a normal relationship with a giant magnifying glass applied. Later, the Tesla CEO revealed that he was still dealing with the breakup. I was really in love, and it hurt bad. Well, she broke up with me more than I broke up with her. The South African native told Rolling Stone in November 2017, noting that he was in severe emotional pain since the split. I'm looking for a long-term relationship. I'm not looking for a one-night stand. I'm looking for a serious companion or soulmate, that kind of thing. I will never be happy without having someone. In December 2018, the Pineapple Express star reflected on her relationship with Musk, telling The Hollywood Reporter, Elon and I had a beautiful relationship, and we have a beautiful friendship now, one that was based on our core values, intellectual curiosity, ideas, and conversation, a shared love for science. We just bonded on a lot of things that speak to who I am on the inside. I have so much respect for him. Musk began dating Grimes later that year, following their romance. In May 2020, they welcomed their son, Exodork Siderail, also known as Y. The on-again, off-again couple's daughter arrived via surrogate in December 2021. For her part, Heard has been linked to Vito Schnabel, Andy Muschietti, and Bianca Booty. In July 2021, the actress welcomed her own daughter, Una Page. But what about Elon Musk regarding the trial? Elon Musk was mentioned several times during Johnny Depp's tumultuous libel trial against Amber, in which he was accused of having an affair with the Aquaman actress while she was still married to the Pirates of the Caribbean actor. Although he was expected to attend court in Virginia to give statements in favor of Amber Heard, he decided to stay away and not give any statement about it. Well, until now. Through a tweet, he wrote that he would take sides neither for his ex-girlfriend nor for the famous actor. I hope they both move on. At their best, they are each incredible, he tweeted on the 28th of May. His comment came in response to a tweet that says, my takeaways from Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard trial: 1. Fame is one hell of a drug, for some. 2. Psychiatrists and lawyers come in drastically varying levels of skill. 3. Lying to millions of people is something humans are capable of. 4. Love can be messy. And 5. Mega pint of wine. However, these tweets, as innocuous as they may seem, were the reason for Amber to take every word as if it was directed towards her. She took things too personally, to a level where she even begged Elon for his support towards her. Insiders have commented that, ultimately, Elon actually supported Johnny and not Amber Heard, although the actress was his girlfriend. Because, Well, there are several theories, and one of them is that he also had the opportunity to observe and live the experience of violence with Amber. Is this true? For 6 weeks, the defamation case brought by actor Johnny Depp against his ex-wife Amber Heard stunned the world, providing a rare case of high-profile charges and counter-accusations in the Me Too era, including lurid allegations of physical abuse, which was discussed in a courtroom converted into a public stage. The 7-person jury in Fairfax, Virginia that heard the case found that Heard had defamed Depp when she described herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse in a 2018 op-ed in the Washington Post. Depp was awarded compensatory damages of over $10 million. During the trial, Depp vehemently denied Heard's allegations of repeated physical abuse, including punches, headbutts, and multiple instances of sexual assault. Depp thanked the jury in a post-verdict statement, saying they brought him back to life. Heard, who was in the courtroom when the verdict was read, said in a later statement that she was disappointed beyond words by the ruling. Heard was not encouraged by the jury's decision to award her $2 million in damages because it determined that Depp's lawyer had defamed her. Alifair Hall, Heard's spokeswoman, said she planned to appeal. These cases are frequently settled out of court, in part to avoid public scrutiny. The heinous charges and heinous details of this case were not only aired in open court, but also in front of cameras, which broadcast each accusation and then became memes that were discussed on social media. Heard's 2018 op-ed did not mention Depp by name, but he claimed it clearly referred to their marriage, which began in 2015 and ended just over a year later. The jury agreed, concluding that it contained several false statements made with genuine malice. Heard responded by claiming she was slandered in 2020 when one of Depp's lawyers dismissed her allegations as a hoax in comments to a British tabloid. Depp was found to have defamed Heard when his lawyer accused her of causing damage to the couple's penthouse and blamed Depp. Several legal analysts were surprised by the verdict, pointing out that a judge in the United Kingdom ruled 2 years ago that there was evidence that Depp had repeatedly assaulted Heard. That decision came in a libel suit filed by Depp after The Sun, a British tabloid newspaper which referred to him as a wife-beater in a headline. In that case, the judge ruled that the defendants had demonstrated that what they posted was substantially true. Throughout the trial, Heard maintained that everything in her op-ed was true. The combination of celebrities, sensational details, and courtroom cameras made the trial an internet sensation. Memes and posts criticizing Heard proliferated online, some of which were created by Depp fans. Heard testified that she had received thousands of death threats since the beginning of the trial, calling the online taunts agonizing. Although it was a long trial and very exhausting for those involved, it seems that justice has finally won, and all the falsehoods that Amber said were disproved. Perhaps this is the reason why Elon decided to change his mind and support Johnny. Do you think this is correct? Or should Elon defend Amber because she's his former partner? Leave us your comments and theories below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any news from your favorite celebrities. See you in the next video.